website where you can play Ulti. Yeah, I'm sure you're aware of it. If you click this button, Ulti is most, means play Ulti now. Then you have the options of using your Facebook account, using your Ultistars account, or as a guest. Vendig is guest. So let's try that now. Whenever you see a pop-up, there's sometimes a timer. You just have to wait. And then you have an option of registering with registrálok, or enter as a guest, vendégként lépek be. Okay, so you're already in the list of tables, so you can see all the games running. And új asztal is the new table. Now this is the pop-up hell I was talking about. So if you see any pop-up and it has a word nem, that means no, just click nem. Okay, we don't want anything. So click új asztal, new table. You can set the name, asztalod neve, name of the table. Then jelszava, that's the password. So you can set the password if you want to play with some specific people. I'm not going to do that now. And then you can select the number of players. 3, 4, 5, or even 6 players can play. Obviously with several of them sitting out, because it's a 3-player game. So let's just leave it at 4. Senki se zavarja means nobody should disturb me. So if you just want to play with bots. Bárki beléphet means anybody can enter. Beengedhetek játékosokat means I can let in players. So probably if you want to set it up to play with someone else, then use either a password and bárki beléphet, which means anybody can enter, or you can specify it with who you want to let in with beengedhetek játékosokat. So for this demo, I'll just use the bot setting, senki se zavarja, nobody disturbs. This one is if the cards are visible to the spectators or not. So kibicelhető lapok means spectatable cards. Kártyahátlapok means the back of the cards. So anybody who's spectating a hand will only see the back of the cards until they are played. Játékalap is the base of the game, which is 1, 2, 5, 10, or 20. Let's leave it at 1. Létrehozom, I create. Make se means cancel. So létrehozom. It immediately takes you to the table. So you can sit at either chair. So beülés means to sit. Egyes szék, kettes szék, hármas szék means first chair, second chair, third chair. So I'll just sit here with that guest user that I'm using for this demo. Robot beültetése means sit robot down. So let's do that for both. Immediately the deal is on. So he starts the bidding. So there was a pass. So that's a normal game. The other robot didn't do anything. You always have a timer, so you have to be a bit on the spot. So I don't have much. There was a pass, so I'm gonna take it up. This heart looks promising. Benyúlok means I go in for the talon. And it's not doing anything. Yeah, network issue. Let's see if it recovers. I think I've lost the connection there. So if that happens, you can usually just log in and the table will be still there. So I'm just going to use the same thing. Yep, reconnected. So I'll pick it up. Yeah, this is it could be a hearts ulti, but a bit tricky. So I'll just say piros party means hearts pass. So you can set the bets here. So you can click ulti for 4 as, that's 4 aces. These should be straightforward, 40-100. These don't look, this is just a list of contracts, but it's not clickable. So you can select whatever you want. Színes means with a trump suit. Szín nélküli means without trump suit. Re is for Betli or Durchmarsch, the higher levels. Terítet means open, so you can set whatever you want. So for this, I'll just set Piros Party.
Piros passz. Jöhet. Jöhet.
So jöhet means just let's go, or give it to us, basically. So they both passed, so I'll just say pass, so I'm not gonna pick it up again. Benyúlok would mean that I go in for the talon again and say some higher contract, but for now I'll just say pass.
Passz.
So automatically, because I have a 20 in leaves, it's highlighted. I can disable it if I want. If I just leave it on 120, basically egy 20, it will automatically be announced. So I'll play a card.
Van egy 20-am.
I have a 20. Nothing from the other two players. They didn't announce anything. So we're just playing the cards. This is, yep, lucky. So I got two silent hearts ulti. So this is the result. So this is my username. Here are the points. These are the tricks and the meld points. You can click ütések, which means tricks. Now this is one annoying. It forces me to click on új osztás, which is a new deal, but basically, and now I'm gone. As you can see, the game can be a bit buggy. Maybe there was another network issue, I'm not sure, but let's try another hand to show a few more features. So here you can set the sound, you can change the voice type, you can change the deck of cards, you can go full screen, basically, nagyít, this one. You can change between 2D and 3D cards. I wouldn't touch that really. And let's just pick it up to check a few more options. You can chat here if you want, and you can change some colors. Yeah, your text color you can change. Here you can start a inbuilt video chat. I haven't tried this, to be honest, but you can use another video meeting tool. And asztalok means tables, so you can click there and check out any other tables. So you can theoretically sit at multiple tables at the same time, and then you can change between them. Kiülök means I sit out, so if you tick that, then after this hand is done, you stand up from your chair. So let's try that. There was only a party, so I have to say something higher. It will be a hearts party. We're gonna lose it probably, but let's see if they pick up. Okay, so they didn't pick up. So this option, bedobom kontrával, means I throw in with a contra. So you can always do that, lose a doubled game before the play out. You would choose that if you think that you're gonna lose and you don't want the opponents to make anything further, like a silent ulti or a silent 100 against you. I'm not gonna do that. I will just pass. So it still has the option to throw in with a contra, but let's just play it out with a hearts pass game. And hopefully we'll be able to check a few more details at the end of the hand. lost the game. So here you can see the tricks, basically. I don't know why it's kicking me out, but there are options to look at the tricks and the hands. It was working before I tried this demo, so not sure why it's not working now. This is just a normal party. Let's try this.
Party.
Felveszem.
Oh, so they went in for the talon.
Piros ulti.
Hearts ulti.
Passzolok.
I will pass.
Mehet.
Passz. Van egy 40-em.
They have a 40.
Eldobom.
And he laid out their cards because they're gonna win all the tricks. So then you have the chance to just play out the cards or bedobom, which means
Bedobom.
he give up and he has everything that he's contracted. Okay, so here you can see all the hands and the talon exchange, and you check the tricks. You can see all the various tricks, and then again it forces me to click new deal. So that's about it for this demo.
Piros ulti 400. Mehet.
If you have any questions, please just let me know. Cheers.